All right, ladies and gentlemen, number 4. We have 15 times 5 minus 3 divided by 10, but we've got some computation in parentheses there in your math notebook, number 4. I'm going to write it up here too on my board so we can work through it together. Number 4. Use your help sheet that I gave you. According to, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, our order of operations, what is going to be my first step here? Kara? Parentheses, which is 5 minus 3. What is 5 minus 3, everybody? 2. And now let's bring down the rest of my problem. We underline it so we make sure we don't use it again. I don't rewrite that part. Good. All right. According to our order of operations, what is my next step? Tell somebody next to you, what is our next step? All right, I hear lots of friends saying 15 times 2. I'm going to do this multiplication. But now multiplication and division, they are partners. So I just read them left to right then like a book, whichever one I came to first, which happens to be 15 times 2. What is 15 times 2?
30.
Very nice. And then I bring down the rest of my problem. I don't rewrite 15 times 2. I already used it. What is 30 divided by 10?
3.
Very nice. Good work. If I write it up here, it should be in your math notebook. All right, let's follow along here. Good job, guys. All right, number 5. 8 times 3 minus 12 divided by 12 plus 2. Lots of easy computation. I know you know those math facts, but we have to make sure they're in the right order. This is number 5. I'm going to write it on the board too. Slide with me. Make sure you are neat when you are writing because you don't want to accidentally maybe mistake a division sign for an addition sign. Make sure you can read your handwriting good. I want you trying this one on your own in your math notebook. Malia, will you close our door, please?
Yeah.
Thank you. You guys are trying this one. Be an active learner, not just sitting waiting for an answer. You're working this one out. Not using a calculator, using your brain. The calculator actually won't help you anyways unless you know the right order. Raise your hand if you're still working. Okay. Make sure you're underlining your steps as you're going through them. Remember, it should be coming down like an upside down triangle as you're working. One step per line. Don't start getting overwhelmed. When you see lots of computation, you're going to start seeing long problems. Don't get overwhelmed because we're only doing one step at a time. In your math notebook, you should be using your lines. Raise your hand if you're still working. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I want you to show a friend that's in your area. See what you guys got. If you guys disagree on your answer, discuss. See what maybe a friend, what step did they forget maybe? Oh, I hear some different answers. Help a friend out. What step did they do incorrectly in the wrong order? All right, looking up here, 3, 2, 1. All right, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. P, parentheses, do I have any of those? No. E, exponents, do I have any of those? No. My dear, because they're partners, multiplication or division, do I have those? Yes. Okay, when I read it left to right, which do I see first? Multiplication. I see multiplication first. So what is 8 times 3? 24, and then I bring down the rest of my problem. I'm not going to try and do another step yet. I'm going to wait another line. All right, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. I have more multiplication and division. Which one do I have? Division. I have another division here. 12 divided by 2. What is 12 divided by 2?
6.
6. Now I need to bring down the rest of my problem. I have some friends who need to make sure they're being listeners, please. All right, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Oh, I have a subtraction and addition. Which one do I do first?
Subtraction.
Why subtraction? I say addition first, though, when I say it. Hannah? Because they're partners, so I read them left to right. So the first one I see, which is 24 minus 6. What is 24 minus 6?
18.
Bring down what I have left. What is 18 plus 2?
21.
Show me a thumbs up if you got that. Nice job, guys. Let's watch them work it up here. 8 times 3. 12 divided by 2. 24 minus 6. And 20. All right, I want to show you this problem. However, I want to show you what it could look like sometimes with our equal sign, and especially getting into algebra, you might see that equal sign in different spots. You might see, this is number 6. All right, here's our problem. Look where our equal sign is. It's in the front. Where normally is our equal sign? At the back. Is this going to change my answer because they put it in the front? No. I'm going to put my answer here after I do my work with my order of operations. Okay? So don't get confused if you see the equal sign up here in the front. Okay? As you get more into algebra, you'll have more numbers over here. You have to balance them out. Okay? You guys will be doing that. All right. Order of operations. I want you to go ahead and try this in your math notebook now. 10 divided by 2 minus 3 plus 4 times 2. This is number 6. Please, parentheses, do I have any of those?
No.
E, exponents, do I have any?
No.
My dear, do I have any of those?
Yes.
Yes, I see some division and multiplication. Which one do I see first?
Division divided by 2.
What is 10 divided by 2?
5.
All right, let's rewrite what I have left. Ladies and gentlemen, do not try and go fast and do multiple steps at once. All right, what is my next step, everybody?
4 times 2.
Very nice. 4 times 2. What is 4 times 2?
8.
8. Let's bring down what I have left. What do I do next, Ricky? Huh?
He said divide.
Look what I've got left here. What is 5 minus 3? Five minus 3? What is 5 minus 3? No, 5 minus 3. 5 take away 3. What do you get? Huh? 2. And then let's rewrite the rest of it. What is 2 plus 8?
10.
10. So over here, 10.
10.
All right, ladies and gentlemen. Also on Schoology, I have put up for you guys a song because I love jamming out to our math songs. Let me get my mouse going. Hold on. I'm too far away. All right, so if you go to Schoology and under math, Malia, will you turn off our other set of lights, please? Thank you. You will see if you scroll down, it says number rock, order of operations. Also something you can use as a reference when you're working on your homework and maybe you can't remember a step. This could help you. Let me get our volume up. All right, here we go.
Parentheses first, exponents next, multiplication and division in the same step. Addition is subtraction. If you got the nerve, from left to right, first come, first serve. Parentheses first, 2 times 4, the product's 8. Are you ready for more? Exponents next, 2 squared is 4. Let's move down like we did before. Time to divide or multiply. Let's see what we got. Take a look at the signs. Divide the 8 by the 2. The quotient's 4, and we're almost through. It's finally time to add or subtract. 8's the answer, and that's a fact.
Oh, that's his Aunt Sally.
Exponents next, multiplication and division in the same step. Addition is subtraction. If you got the nerve, from left to right, first come, first serve.
Oh, man. Up again, his Aunt Sally.
2 times 6, the product's 12. Put it back in the mix. Exponents next, 3 squared is 9. When you know the tricks, it don't take much time. Now we divide or multiply. Let's see what we got. Take a look at the signs. 9 divided by 9 is 1. The answer's close, man. We're almost done. 4 minus 1 has a difference of 3. When we add the 12, we get 15. Parentheses first, exponents next, multiplication and division in the same step. Addition is subtraction. If you got the nerve, from left to right, first come, first serve.
I love it. He sounds so much cooler when he does it than when I do it. I don't understand. So notice his dear Aunt Sally who was sitting there on the bench. Okay, one more time we're going to listen through. I love his Aunt Sally sitting there though. And she's mad that it's turned up. I also like how he says, he uses the phrase first come, first serve for those partners, that multiplication and division and addition and subtraction. He uses the phrase first come, first serve instead of how I say it, left to right like a book. So that's kind of catchy, whatever works for you. All right, last time.
Parentheses first, exponents next, multiplication and division in the same step. Addition is subtraction. If you got the nerve, from left to right, first come, first serve. Parentheses first, 2 times 4, the product's 8. Are you ready for more? Exponents next, 2 squared is 4. Let's move down like we did before. Time to divide or multiply. Let's see what we got. Take a look at the signs. Divide the 8 by the 2. The quotient's 4, and we're almost through. It's finally time to add or subtract. 8's the answer, and that's a fact. Parentheses first, exponents next, multiplication and division in the same step. Addition is subtraction. If you got the nerve, from left to right, first come, first serve. Parentheses first, 2 times 6, the product's 12. Put it back in the mix. Exponents next, 3 squared is 9. When you know the tricks, it don't take much time. Now we divide or multiply. Let's see what we got. Take a look at the signs. 9 divided by 9 is 1. The answer's close, man. We're almost done. 4 minus 1 has a difference of 3. When we add the 12, we get 15. Parentheses first, exponents next, multiplication and division in the same step. Addition is subtraction. If you got the nerve, from left to right, first come, first serve.
All right, very cool. Can you imagine if he was your teacher? Jam out. Lights, please. All right, ladies and gentlemen, your math homework for tonight. You guys have order of operations on I Know It Math. Keep that sheet out that I gave you. Use that sheet as a reference. There are 12 problems on I Know It Math. Any questions? You must have work. This is not mental math. And guess what? A calculator will not help you because you don't know what order. Darn it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, go ahead and get started.